pressure medicine today.
Yeah,
She's got to chill.
I can't stress today.
She didn't take her blood pressure medicine, and anybody that stresses her out, I'm going to shoot them. In the knee, twice. And then I'm taking a baseball bat to the other knee.
Oh, stop it. Get out of here.
Right? You like that idea? Sorry, didn't mean to interrupt.
You're fine, man. 1984 M9 235-ton cargo truck. Oh, that's cool.
Arizona Riders Club. Ride with us.
How are you today?
How you doing?
Good. Yeah. Nice people, man. Like I said, meet some good people no matter where you go. Here's another Hummer, guys. Can't get enough of these. I would actually like to have one of these Hum ones. I think it's -1 miles per gallon. Actually, no. I think realistically, if I'm not mistaken, it is 8 miles a gallon for a Hummer. I could be wrong. You could do your fact checks, guys. This one's from Rhode Island. Nice little Hummer one, man. Here we go, 4x4. It's a nice one. All right, now we have a 1953 Dodge M283 clone, 3/4 ton. Looks like they're with the club, AMVCC, John Pavka.
Them I do not see.
Dodge M37, 1953. Like this one. All right, guys, I think that's it for today. We're gonna wrap it up, guys. There is a bazaar, or what do you call it, like a swap meet type thing. Shops going on, hats, helmets, holsters, all kinds of memorabilia, nostalgic memorabilia. Some other vendors over here too. So I'm gonna get into some of these vendors, check out what they have here, and I'll get back to you in a minute, all right? Y'all know what it is. See you.